Justice. Oromo students. Oromo students. They need justice in Ethiopia. They need rule of law in Ethiopia. British citizens. Oromo students. Need your moral support. British citizens. Oromo students. They need your moral support. Oromo students. They need your moral support. British citizens. Oromo students. They could be your sons. They could be your daughters. They could be your sons. They could be your sisters. They could be your sisters. British citizens. Oromo students. They could be your brothers. They could be your sisters. They need justice in Ethiopia. They need justice in Ethiopia. We demand UK government to oppose mass killing in Oromia. We demand UK government to oppose mass killing in Oromia. We oppose land grabbing in Oromia land of Ethiopia. We oppose the eviction of Oromo farmers around Addis Ababa. We are Oromos. We demand justice. We demand democracy. UK government. Oromo farmers. They need your support. UK government. Oromo students. They need your support. British citizens. British people. Oromo students. They need your support. They need your voice. Oromo students. They need justice. They need